Here is how to insert the clip. You can insert the clip to the panel like this. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is SREERAJ Melith. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert locking clips to LED panel light. Initially, it seems little difficult to insert clips to LED panel lights. I'll be showing demo of the two different types of clips which comes with the 9 volts and 12 volts LED lights. Here is how to insert the clip. You can insert the clip to the panel like this. Slowly inserting in one side, then pushing it and locking it to the other side too. And it's inserted perfectly. Like this, you can insert clip to the other side too. The purpose of the clip is to lock the light panel in the ceiling tiles. Now both the clips are inserted successfully on this 9 volt bulb and is ready to be inserted into the tiles. Next, I will also show how to insert clips to the 12 volt LED panel since it's having a different type of clip. You can see this is the clip of the 9 volt LED panel and this is the clip of the 12 volt. You can find the difference in both the clips, and I'm going to show you how to insert clip in the 12 volt LED panel. Now we have done inserting clips to both the LED panel lights. You can find more details related to the installation in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This is SREERAJ Melith signing off.